Things that can change your trading today. All you need is application. You see, everything I'm going to be sharing in this video revolve around the same principle, and that principle is patience. Ever experienced this? You're planning a transit to a particular city. Now, before going to that city, a friend from that particular city came to your city to meet you. And now you're seeing the friend and you're thinking in your mind, I wish I can just appear in where this guy is coming from. So we exchange. I'll be in that city and he will be in this city. What I'm trying to say is, as human, we lack patience. Like, we really want to get what we want to get, like right now. Unconsciously, this single habit affects how you trade daily. Most of the things you do in trading revolves around timing. You need to enter at the right time. You need to get out at the right time. You need to know the right instrument to buy. Everything is about timing. So you need to be patient and wait for that particular time to be ripe in order to execute. Now, the first thing that can improve your trading performance today, this might be the only thing stopping you from becoming profitable, is trade less. Stop trading too much position. Like, stop trading all the time. It's not about how many trades you open. It's not about how many time you trade. It's about how much you're making at the end of the day. So you don't need to trade more. You don't need to trade every day. You don't need to trade every single day. All you need to do is to wait for that particular setup to ripe and you execute. Here's a quick assignment. If you want to confirm what I just said, if you're not already practicing this habit of trading less, what you need to do is to go to your MetaTrader and check your history, check your previous trade, and check how frequent you trade. You realize you trade more than the amount of time you even thought you're trading. By doing this, you will be forced to trade what is not there. Your eyes will be forced to see what is not in the market because you're running after profits, you're chasing after the market. Whenever you're not trading less, you're trading more. The second thing that can help you right now to move from that particular stage you are is to focus on one setup. Just one setup is enough to make you the money you want to make in this industry. You don't need to have this particular strategy, this strategy, this strategy, this strategy. One strategy is enough. One entry is enough. What you need is to wait patiently. You see, it's still the same patient. Wait patiently for this particular entry to show up. When you're impatient, you tend to take more trades, you tend to take more position. That's when you buy and sell at the same time. That's when you buy and you're making profit already, and you go to another instrument and you place a buy again, or you place a sell on the other instrument. Other trades are running in losses. Why the first trade where you saw your initial entry, that particular trade is running in profits because you're not patient enough. These losses are going to eat into the profit or even eat more than the profit, and at the end of the day your account will be running in drawdown. So these are the things that actually keep your account stuck in this drawdown position. The next thing is to focus on few instruments. I can't emphasize this enough. In fact, I will not be recommending the particular instrument. You need to focus on whatever works best for you. See, trading is whatever works best for you. You need to become the trader. You are the trader. You are the edge on your own. So whatever amount of instrument that works for you, that is okay. But what I'm trying to say is, when you focus on too many instruments, let's assume you're trading Great Britain pound, United States dollar, and Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar. Now you've already placed a buy on Great Britain pound. Based on the fact that Great Britain pound is strong, you just move to Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar, and you go in for a buy. You still did your analysis there, but you're confused, like you're clouded by the entry you initially got from Great Britain pound, United States dollar, just because pound is strong there. One goes into profit and one goes into losses. Doing this, you're eating into your current profit or your account balance as a whole. So I hope this actually helped you. If you found value in the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification. And until next time, guys, happy trading.